turned an old book I found at the thrift store and a $25 Amazon light fixture into this incredible bookshelf sconce, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. The sconce I purchased was a plug-in sconce, so it can plug right in. So what we had to do was actually remove the cord to make it kind of like a hardwired sconce, and then we're going to add the cord back again later. For the book, I tried to find one that I didn't think many people would want to read, this welding encyclopedia. The text was so small, it smelled extremely bad, so I took the pages out. It's still readable, but we want the spine and cover. And I got some wooden dowels at the hardware store that were the same exact width of the book. So this was a 2-inch wide wooden dowel and the spine of my book was 2 inches. I laid it on the actual dowel and cut it down to size, so we had one piece that actually fit perfectly within the spine of the book. And I'm just using some wood glue to adhere this in. You can also do hot glue, whatever you have. Once that's in there, I did end up cutting 2 additional pieces. These were 2 inches shorter than the first one. That's so we have a channel at the bottom that our wiring is going to be able to go through. Once this is all glued down, this is what it should look like, and you can see that open channel at the bottom. I found a drill bit that was the same width as the threading on the sconce, and I just drilled through only that first piece of wood because our wiring is going to be going through. So I threaded through the wiring through the hole that we created, and I pressed firmly and was able to just easily twist this in. It had a nice snug fit. Reattach the wires to our cord so we can plug this back into the wall. Press that crimp shut on the wire cap. Went ahead and added on the shade and slipped this into my bookcase. I love the way that this looks, and you could find these online for hundreds of dollars.